Hey guys, a couple of great products here for overall hair health coming up. So Nature's Way has got an extensive line of different herbs and different products. They're also very well and affordably priced for that reason, since it's such an extensive line. And these two things are amazing for your hair growth, hair health, and natural sources of silica, among other nutrients that you need. So the saying about horsetail is, if you want healthy hair, long and strong, like a horse's tail, take horsetail. And yes, as you can see, it's a grass. It is something that somewhat resembles a horse's tail. And that picture doesn't make it look like it's very healthy and strong, basically. But anyways, if women are experiencing hair loss due to stress or possibly other things, then this may benefit them and help them with hair loss. And faux tie is also known as Hoshi Wu, and that somewhat translates to he looks so strong. Because the original guy who discovered this was traditional Chinese medicine long time ago, as folklore and legend says, is that he strengthened his hair, regrew his hair, and it was darker and stronger than before. And both of these things could be very beneficial. I've been taking both of these for about 2 months, and I noticed my hair is a lot softer and just feels amazing. Is very manageable. It reduces the overall amount of oiliness from my experience, and I like them a lot. The faux tie, you only need 2 capsules a day, and it does say preferably with food, I believe here. Nope, this one doesn't say anything about food. The horsetail then is take three times a day, 1 capsule 3 times a day. Yeah, this one doesn't say anything about food either. So I have found both of these to be quite beneficial for hair health, and I like it. I'm going to continue this. There's some people who report this really helps with hair regrowing, not just for stress or possibly bacterial related, but in general, hair health, growth. It may largely be due in part to silica. So anyways, there's probably a lot better, higher quality out there for these types of herbs, but Nature's Way, so affordable. I've had good results already. I'm gonna keep using it. Stay healthy, guys.